In this video, we are going to show you some of the smart gadgets which help to assist humans in daily life. As the world is moving towards smart and compact things, these gadgets are as smart as you think. They're easy to use and smart in size. Moreover, these gadgets reduce your work in seconds. They can be used for more than one task as they're capable of doing multiple tasks. These gadgets are available in different colors and various shapes to improve their look. With their smart size and attractive colors, they improve the overall look of your living area. They are small in size and very easy to use indeed when it comes to their use. People of every age group can take advantage of their use because of their unique ability of easy adaptation. Mostly, they can be used for cleansing, entertaining, and so many other activities. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. This is a smart hand locker, which can be operated with a small key. It can be used for the holding of hand of baby during shopping. This is a smart plastic holder, which can be folded. It can be used for the holding of mobile, and you can stream easily by placing your mobile on it. This is an amazing stand with 3 layers. It can be used for the placing of your kitchen products like cups, plates, knives, and spoons. This is a beautiful sheet on which amazing designs are printed. It can be used for the covering of tables and glass windows. This is a versatile firelighter to get flame. They are available in different designs and colors. This is a plastic fish-shaped material, which is operated with the help of cells. It can be used for the producing of bubbles. This is a steel stand which can be mounted on the back of doors. It can be used for holding of keys, etc. These are beautiful plastic baskets, which are used for the washing of your fruits and vegetables. This is a smart net-like material, which is used to separate the rice or beans from the impurities. This is an electronic fan, which is attached to the window of your car. It avoids the entrance of dust and smoke in your car. This is a beautiful scenery, which can be used to fit in your car. It saves you from sunlight. This is a small setup, which can be installed in your basin, in which you can fill detergent. It is very useful for the washing of your kitchen utensils. This is a smart cap on which a small fan is mounted. This fan is operated with small cells. It can be used for the providing of cool air. These are small rollers which can be replaced with a big roller. It gives more efficiency in speed due to their structure. This is a small water cooler in the shape of a cartoon. It can be used for the providing of cool water for drinking. This is a small plastic grip, which holds your toothpaste. By applying a small force, it provides you the desired amount of toothpaste. This is an electronic device for the boiling of water. Then, this boiled water is used for the making of coffee and soaps. These are small decoration pieces, which can be mounted on the walls. They have small, beautiful flowers in small structure. This is a small pot in which you can place your cooking oil. It avoids the leaking of cooking oil while pouring in the frying pan. This is a magical detergent spray, which is used for the removing of waste and corrosion from the metal surface in space of seconds. These are small stickers, which are used for the sticking of mats and sheets on the floor. This is a smart gadget on which 2 fans are present. It can be used for having cool air on a hot summer day. This is a small foam, which can be used for the cleaning of different things, especially used for the cleaning of your shoes. This is an electronic stand, which can be used for the charging of your mobile. By placing mobile on its surface, it can readily charge your phone. This is an electronic trimmer, which is used for the cutting and shaving purposes. It helps you to increase your personality. This is a beautiful small bag, which is used for the keeping of your shoes. It can easily fit to your luggage due to its small size. This is a small setup of plastic, in which a small sharp blade is present. It can be used for the cutting of transparent sheets. This is a smart gadget, which is used for the cleaning of your glass windows and doors. It gives you a very neat look to your windows. This is a pair of rubber shoe covers, which can cover your actual shoes. It can be used for the preserving of your shoes from mud on a rainy day. These are small bottles, which give you soap for washing the hands when you press it from the top. This is a smart setup, which is used for the making of ice cubes. By placing the liquid in the fridge, it gives you a freeze ice cubes. This is a small rubber pack, which is used for the mixing of wheat. After that, It can be used for the making of bread and bun. This is an electronic device which is used for the boiling of eggs. It boils the eggs in a few minutes.